easy. And you know how to forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head, it's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy.
Okay, just a quick little video, and Merry Christmas. This should come out Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas. Hope you guys got everything you wanted, or bought everything you wanted for yourself. That works too. This was a quick little video. Once again, sorry for the water droplets on the camera. I do need to rain-X the lenses on the GoPros. But hopefully you enjoyed that. There'll hopefully be a better, more kind of like year-long video coming out New Year's Day. So hopefully look forward to that. But as always, be sure to like, comment, rate, subscribe, and also check out my Instagram channel. It's linked down below in the description. Thanks for watching, and have yourself a Merry Christmas. Sounded corny, but I'll take it. Bye.